Do you know how affirmations help me feel brave before speaking in front of people? Sometimes I feel a little nervous before going on stage. My hands get sweaty and my heart beats fast. But then I take a deep breath and say my magic words. I say to myself, I am confident. I speak clearly. I believe in myself. My words have positive effect on people. Saying these words out loud makes me feel calm and strong, like a superhero with a microphone. Affirmations help me remember that it's okay to be nervous and I can still do a great job. And guess what? They work like magic. So next time you speak in a class or on stage, try it. Say something kind to yourself and feel the power grow inside you. Thank you for listening, and remember, your voice matters. To learn more, subscribe now to the Storytelling Space.